Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will discuss the practical details of IT 802. So here we have the description of the practical. That in practical we have a theory of 20 marks, 10 plus 10 20, because 10 marks of questions are coming from the Java programs and 10 marks of question are coming from SQL, that is your structured query language. So we can say the theory portion is of 20 marks because 10 marks questions are coming from Java program and 10 marks questions are coming from SQL. The practical file which you have made is of 10 marks, so we can say plus 10, so it will become of 30. Then after your 5 marks is coming from your Viva, okay, so plus 5, it will become 35 now. The last 5 marks are coming from your project file which you have made. Okay, so total your IT practical is of 40 marks. Done. So by this way your 40 marks of IT is coming. So I am going to repeat it again. So that theory is of 20 marks, 10 marks is coming from the Java programs, 10 marks is of your SQL program which you have to done in the theory paper of practical. Then 10 marks is coming from your practical file, 30 plus Viva is of 5 marks and project is of 5 marks. Okay, so I think now you have an clarity of your practical detail of IT 802. This is a theory exams pattern of IT 802 and that 802 is a subject code which you know, and you have to remember your subject code of IT. And these are like this syllabus is of two parts, part A and part B. In part A we have employability skills in which we have 5 units, and in these 5 units only 10 marks syllabus are coming. Okay, you can divide like in each of the unit you are getting 2 marks question. Okay, so in part B we have of 50 marks paper, and that 50 marks is divided into 4 units, unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the first unit is of database concept which is related to your MySQL, and in that we have 15 marks of questions coming. Okay, that is the finalized syllabus which is divided into, okay, which is divided into parts. And maybe any like 1 or 2 marks maybe vary a little, that it is of 15 marks, but maybe 16 marks syllabus is coming from this, maybe 17, 1 or 2 marks maybe go up and down, but not more than this. So just remember that unit 1 is of basically that you have a pattern in your mind that which uh, exercise is more important, and that which of the exercise you have to focus more. That is why these syllabus are divided into parts. Okay, so database concepts are of 15 marks, which is the first unit of subject skills. Then after we have second unit which is of operating web, and that is typically of a theory, that is based upon theory questions because that is not a practical unit. Your unit 1 and unit 3 is a practical oriented, so mostly practical based questions in the theory paper are coming from the unit 1 and 3. So unit 2 which is operating web and related to the internet questions are coming from it, so it is of 10 marks. Then after we have Java, which is the most important, and the weightage of marks is written 20 here, but I have seen the last few papers of the last 3 years, like I just observed that more than 20 marks paper are coming from the Java. So this is the most important unit which you need to focus more. Then after we have the least important, the work integrated IT, which is just of 5 marks. And I have seen that only 3 marks questions are coming from these. But that is also important because if you want to get in full marks, then also you need to cover that last unit also. So this is how your 60 marks IT paper are coming. So you can check out the first 10 marks is coming from the employability skill. Then after the 50 marks is divided into 4 units, 15, 10, 20 and 5. 50 plus 10, that total is of 60 marks. So now I think you have in clarity of your practical paper and your theory paper pattern and the split up of the marks, and all the very best for the examinations, and see you in the next one. Take care.